can't hurry love. You'll just have to wait.
I need love, love, ease my mind. And I need fine time, someone to call mine. My mama said you can't hurry love. No, you just have to wait. She said love don't come easy. It's a game of give and take. You can't hurry love. No, you'll just have to wait.
You just have to wait.
Just trust in a good time, no matter how long it takes. So how many heartaches must I stand to let me find the love, to let me live again? Right now the only thing that keeps me hanging on, oh, I feel my strength, though it's almost gone. I remember mama said you can't hurry love. No, you just have to wait. She said love don't come easy. It's a game of give and take. How long must I wait? How much more must I take before loneliness cause my poor heart to break? Now I can't bear to live this life alone. I grow impatient for a love to call my own. And when I feel that I can't go on, oh, these precious words, they keep me hanging on. I remember mama said, no, you'll just have to wait. She said love don't come easy. It's a game of give and take. You can't hurry love. No, you'll just have to wait. Just trust in a good time, no matter how long it takes. And I'll break. I know love easy. So I keep on waiting, anticipating for that soft voice, for some tender arms. I can wait for that day. It ain't easy, it ain't easy. My mama said you can't hurry love. No, you just have to wait. She said love don't come easy. It's a game of give and take. You can't hurry love. No, you just have to wait. Just trust in a good time, no matter how